This is my review of the classic TV dinner style stacking tables. So they're a light wood. Don't really have a crazy finish on them, but they're good. They're nice and smooth. There's 4 of them. When they're actually at their peak, so you can see they cross over in the legs here. They just cross underneath and they're nice and stable. So as shown beside a chair, there's a lot of room for your knees to go in there. As for how they look on the back and how they fold in, is there's somewhat of a pulley system. So this leg will actually pull out but also push down to that part, and that's what allows the table to expand into position. So yeah, I guess this is not really a thin wire, but a good nice sturdy wire bolted into there on each side of the unit. And yeah, that's how the table works. I hope this is helpful.